Time now for Better Money Boston. I'm here with Nick Colantuno. He's a certified financial planner with Johnson Brunetti. Now, this is a bit of a tricky topic, Nick. Long-term care. It used to be, I might need it, but now you say it could be you're going to need it.
That's absolutely right, Megan. Over 70% of people will need some form of long-term care in their retirement years. Unfortunately, that means that a lot of folks will be on the hook for some pretty significant and substantial out-of-pocket costs to pay for it.
Okay, so it's not cheap is what you're saying.
It certainly isn't. You think about the different levels of long-term care. Home care in this area can be $5,000 a month to have a nurse or a home health aide come in and cook and clean. Nursing home, memory care units, those can be $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 a month. So you certainly need a plan in place for it.
Okay, and you say planning ahead and really doing that early, that's key.
Not only does it protect your assets, your cash flow against, the what-ifs of that cost, but it can also protect the money that you've worked so hard for against other things like probate or, having to pay for that care. So if legacy is important to you, insurance or planning for this what if can give you a lot of peace of mind that you might need.
Okay, let's talk about how we pay for this and what type of coverage we might explore.
Well, coverage options come down to insurance. Like we were talking about, insurance is not only expensive, it can be hard to qualify for. And most of these traditional long-term care policies, if you pass away having a good dream, that money is gone. So that's where a lot of folks we're working with are exploring some alternatives. Maybe it's paying out of savings or investments, or maybe it's looking at some type of hybrid policies, whether it's a long-term care annuity component, or maybe even death benefit being accelerated out of a life insurance policy. So the beauty of this day and age is there's a lot of options if that's an objective you want to accomplish.
All right. And it sounds like for many of us, we're going to have to look at that. So Nick, you've brought a free book today for our viewers. Tell us about it.
We sure have. It's the Long-Term Care Simplified guide. It's going to help you think about all of these what ifs that you might have to face from a healthcare standpoint.
Okay, we want you to get that today. You can go to bettermoneyboston.com to receive it. Again, this is a free book to you. Go to bettermoneyboston.com. That's bettermoneyboston.com. And we'll see you back here next week.